Hello all, I am here to demonstrate about augmented reality application. Augmented reality application is widely useful in all kind of disciplines. Now it is very trending and it is also very interesting. Now in educational field, the teacher can use this augmented reality application in teaching learning process. It helps the teacher to make the class in a very lively manner. It helps the teacher to make the students very interesting towards the topic. So this way, this augmented reality application is very useful. Okay, so many applications are available in augmented reality. Now let's see. I am focusing on this ARLOOPA. So AR augmented reality loop application. Okay, now let's see how to create this augmented reality environment in our classroom. Okay, let's see. Now let me see how to use this AR loop application. Right? First step is you have to install this application AR loop in Google Play Store. Once you install this Google Play the application, you can show here. So this is the icon. Okay, ARLOOPA. If you click this, so the application will be opening. Okay, so here you can find many categories: education, entertainment, dinosaurs, art, virtual tours, animals, and matrix. So many things are available. So based on your topic, we have to select your category. For example, let me select animals. Okay, so here I can select this duck. Okay, I'm going to select this duck. I'm going to uh, bring this duck in my atmosphere, in my place. Okay, for example. So, so once you open this, you have to just move around this one. Okay, yes. So you will get a duck here. Okay, yes. So I have brought this duck. Yeah, so you can rotate. Okay, you can maximize. Right. Now you can suppose if any student or any person is there, you can go and stand nearby the duck, and you can have a photo or video. Okay. Now I want to take a video of this. Okay. So you can go for this video option. Now the video is running, and you can also have so you can share this video to WhatsApp. Okay. Even you can share this video, and if you want to take a picture, you click here. So you have option. So you can take a photograph also, right? And I'll cancel it. I'm going for the application application page. Okay. So I can go for new another application. For example, I can select this white eagle. Okay, this eagle. Okay. So once you select, you have to move around your phone. Okay. Yes. Yes, the eagle is flying now. See here. Yes, you can. Uh, so eagle is flying. Yes. So in my home, the eagle is flying. No? See here. So suppose if you pin this, you can find this eagle. Yes. So this is only, and this is another view. Now let me demonstrate another view. Okay, so first of all, I have to start this ARLOOPA. Okay, so once it is opening, so you can find many categories like see education, entertainment, NSS, art, animals, ritual tools. Okay, cultural heritage and fashion, architectural. Okay, now I'm going to select this architectural. Okay, so if you select this architectural, you can view some pictures, where you can change your background or environment. Okay, so it's a blue room. Now I can select this blue room. Okay, so just I have to move around this area. Yes, so I can change the environment. See here, so I have changed my environment. So this is not my real room. Okay, so you can change the artificial environment by using this augmented reality application. Yes, suppose if you film, so you can view this three-dimensional view. Okay, so you can have a three-dimensional view of this artificial environment. Okay, suppose if you want to track video, so you can have this option. You click, uh, the video is playing now. Okay, now you can stop and you can share. Suppose if you want to take any photo, so you can take a photo also. Yes. So you can share to anyone. Okay. Yes. Now this is the augmented reality loop application. Okay. By using this application, we can prepare many artificial environment, artificial animals in our classroom. Okay. So we can make the classroom very lively, right? So hope this video will be very useful for teacher and students. Thank you.